for entries number 4. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Harrods Magic. It's Harrods Magic in the lead on the outside, True Value and Wall Alert. And Fairhaven moving up on the inside is Forever Young, Boss Poggy. And Dr. Choi is bringing up the rear. And heading for the backstretch, Harrods Magic by a length and a half, followed by True Value in second. And War Alert running in third by 3.5 lengths. And moving up on the inside is Fairhaven. Entry number 1, Forever Young, Boss Poggy, and Dr. Choice. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Harrods Magic by 4 lengths, followed by True Value in second. And here comes War Alert moving up on the outside. But it's still Harrods Magic in the lead, followed by True Value. And moving up on the outside is War Alert. Rounding the far turn, Harrods Magic by 2.5 lengths, followed by True Value. On the outside is War Alert. But it's still Harrods Magic in the lead, followed by True Value and War Alert on the outside. And closing in is Fairhaven. Entry number 1, Forever Young, Dr. Choice, and Boss Poggy. The last bend for home, it's still Harrods Magic in the lead, and True Value now moving up on the outside. On the farther outside is War Alert. But here comes Fairhaven moving up on the farther outside. At the top of the stretch, True Value leading the field by a length and a half, followed by War Alert on the outside, Harrods Magic, and Fairhaven moving up on the farther outside. But it's still True Value in the lead. It's True Value followed by War Alert on the outside. On the farther outside is Fairhaven. And here in the payoff line is still True Value. Fairhaven now moving up on the outside. Fairhaven on the outside, True Value, War Alert. And finally, it's Fairhaven, War Alert, True Value, Forever Young, Dr. Choice, Boss Poggy, and Harrods Magic.